Sam, can you get divorced without even going to court?
It depends. There's something called the collaborative process in divorce. Usually what will happen is you will have outside meetings to decide what's going to happen in the case. So you'll have a meeting on child support, you'll have a meeting on alimony, you'll have a meeting on equitable distribution, you'll have a meeting on time sharing, and then you decide all of these issues. You put it in a settlement agreement once everything's decided, you file that settlement agreement, and then you ask for the court's blessing. Depending on the judge, they will tell you whether you have to have a final hearing and whether you have to show up to court. The same thing with non-collaborative cases. It depends. If you've settled everything or if the court doesn't require you to come in, then no, you don't have to go in. It just depends on the judge.
What I would say is after COVID or during COVID, the courts changed a lot of their procedures. So before, for an uncontested divorce, usually you would have to have at least one party there. Because of the issues with the pandemic, because of a lot of the changes that went on with remote hearings, the courts waived some of those requirements, so you could just fill out an affidavit or fill out a consent and they would divorce you without you even having to go to a hearing. It was actually pretty crazy.